In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived tasks in ClickUp. If you've been using ClickUp for a while, you know it's a great tool for managing projects and tasks effectively. Over time, tasks can accumulate, and archiving them helps keep your workspace tidy. However, sometimes you may need to revisit those archived tasks, and that's exactly what I'll guide you through today. First things first, let's head to the search bar, which is conveniently located at the top of your screen. This search bar is a powerful feature that can help you navigate directly to what you're looking for in ClickUp without the hassle of scrolling through numerous tasks and lists. Once you click on the search bar, a drop-down menu will appear with various options to refine your search. Now, what we're focusing on today is accessing archived tasks specifically. To do this, look for the option labeled Filter within the drop-down. Clicking on Filter will open up several options you can choose from, but for our purpose, we want to select Archived. By choosing the Archived filter, you're telling ClickUp to only display tasks that have been archived, effectively filtering out everything else. As soon as you apply this Archived filter, ClickUp will promptly present you with a page displaying all your archived tasks. This streamlined process makes it easy to revisit any tasks you may have archived and perhaps forgotten about. Whether you're checking past accomplishments, gathering data, or simply curious about what's been tucked away over time, this view will give you everything you need. And there you have it. That's how you can see your archived tasks in ClickUp. It's a straightforward process that's easy to master, ensuring that you can always access important information no matter when it was last active. Having this ability at your fingertips enables you to manage your tasks with even greater efficiency and, most importantly, peace of mind. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for tuning in, and see you guys on the next one.